Hi, this is John with WTI. And I always try to carry around a mini bag that it's easy for me just to travel with small things whenever I'm in my bag. And this Jack and Chris leather bag, it's so good. And I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, the fabric. In my experience, this fabric is high quality. You can actually feel this in the texture, and it's just the feeling is great. It's handy. It has a really good straps that you can actually adjust to your preferred measure, and the quality in here of the whole leather, it's pretty good. So I always try to take care about my bags and everything that is related to leather. But I just have this peace of mind that I have this great materials in here. That's not just gonna like maybe one day it gets a little bit of water and then it's gonna be all destroyed. This guy can is built like a tank. So if you're looking for just a great bag that's gonna be high quality, this Jack and Chris is pretty good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.